How to change your username or profile picture in Waze. Alright, Waze user. Let's give your profile a glow up. Whether you want a username or a fresh profile picture, here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Waze app and make sure you are logged in. Now, tap the three line at top left corner. This takes you to your profile area. Next, tap your profile name or picture at the top. This opens your account and profile section. Tap on username and just type your new username, fun, unique, or whatever feels like you. Once you are done, tap save. To update your profile picture, tap the pencil icon next to your avatar or profile. You can take a photo with camera, choose from gallery, or use the default mode or avatar. Remember, your username is visible to other users when you report, chat, or share information. So pick wisely. Your Waze identity just got an upgrade. If this helped, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Waze tips and tricks. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.